Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be reviewing the drum roll please Kylie lip kits, and I have two colors, so I'll swatch them first and then I'll tell you my thoughts on both of the shades, and also maybe a couple of dupes. Let's get started with the swatches. So the first shade that I'm swatching is called as Dolce K, and it's a very nice nude shade. The next shade is called 22. It's a very nice burnt orange shade, which I think will look nice on all of my Indian outfits. So these are the two shades that I have, Dolce K and 22. I got both my lip kits from two Instagram accounts, and I'll link their information in the description for those of you in India who don't get a hand on this. Dolce K is the first one that I bought, and I really liked it, and that's why I went ahead and picked up a second one. I really like the packaging, that is this dripping liquid lipstick. Even the liquid lipstick, I love the packaging, the fact that it has this liquid dripping off it. I somehow just really liked it. The lip liner is pretty basic. Yeah, it does have the shade at the bottom, but it is like any MAC lip liner. The formula of the lip liner is really nice. I liked it. It's very soft and creamy. Prior to using these lip kits, I never used to use a lip liner. I just used to, many times I just used to pop on liquid lipstick and rush, and my lips used to get really dry. So what I started doing is I started lining my lips and then using all of my liquid lipsticks. And yes, there is a difference when you have a base underneath your liquid lipstick, so that helps. That is the reason why these don't dry as much. That is if you don't think. But if I have applied this without the liner as well, so it does dry like my ColourPop liquid lipstick. Of all the shades that she launched, I think this was the safest bet for my skin tone. So I tried this out, and I really liked it, and that's why I bought the second one. This is the shade 22. It's a very nice burnt orange, and that's what I have on my lips right now. So when I bought my first lip kit, I didn't do much research online. By the time I bought my second one, I had already read a bunch of reviews. Coming to the second shade, while I was actually thinking of buying Court K, which is the Vampy shade, but then I read a lot of reviews which said it is streaky and stuff. So that's why, but I still wanted to try a darker shade. Ended up picking this because I didn't have this color. I generally stay away from orange shades, but it was nice. It's a little muted, it's a little towards the red side, so I think it's pretty decent. So I got this color, and I did test these out a bunch of times, and I think I did not mention the name of the lipstick, but I did snap about it. It didn't last that very long on me. There was fall feathering out and all that. After a meal or so, it does come out. Now coming to the price point, these are priced for $29 for the liner and the liquid lipstick, plus there is a $14 shipping. I think for that price you can get another liquid lipstick from another brand as well. So these do have that fragrance or scent that everybody talks about. It's a very cupcake, candy, one sort of vanilla scent, and it does linger. The scent is still there. Like I applied this for some time, and the smell is still there. So if you can't tolerate that, then maybe this is not for you. So by the time I picked up the second one, I had already seen a lot of dupes of all the shades. One thing you can do is, because these are expensive, these are shit expensive, there is no two ways about that. So since they are expensive, you can always go and check out the dupe, and if the dupe is available to you somewhere, you can get your hands on the dupe. Try out the dupe, and if the dupe works for you, then buy the original, or don't buy the original. Use the dupe. So the first color that we'll be swatching is by ColourPop. It's the shade Deeper. Then I have two colors from NYX. The one is Abu Dhabi and one is Cannes, and these are very different, even though online it seems similar. Finally, I'll be swatching Soft Spoken by NYX. For the next color, this Art Stick from Bobbi Brown is the closest shade I have. I have also swatched Morocco, but I think it's too bright. Coming back to Kylie lip kit, I liked all of her light shades. All the nudes are very pretty, but that again depends on which colors would work for us, because I somehow find that all of the nude shades don't work for us Indian skin toned or olive skin toned women. So finally, all I have to say is I really like the fact that she gives the eyeliner and the liquid lipstick combo. It at least makes lazy people like me, when I buy a liquid lipstick, I don't bother buying the matching lip liner. So at least, this is forced down my throat, so I use this. And I do see a difference. It doesn't feel that bad as a liquid lipstick makes my lips feel. So that is one plus point. The scent is decent, the price is too high, and their customer care, as I've heard a lot of things, is very bad. So as a brand, I'm not sure if I like this, but if she does come up with some interesting color, like I've been eyeing K Majesty, but then I've been seeing really horrible reviews of that. Finally, if you are willing to shell out that much amount for this product, go ahead. I don't see much of a problem, but I don't see it to be worth the money. I would rather pick up a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick or some other brand that I love more than this. That's all that I have to say. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a Kylie metal, one of the metal colors. I'm still testing it out. So if you want me to do a review on that, just leave me a comment and I'll do it for you. And watch my previous video and all. I'm doing this NYX series, like I'm reviewing all my NYX products that I have, because NYX has launched in India. So if you haven't seen those videos, I'll link everything in the description, and I'll link my last one up here so that you can directly jump to that video. So do check those out as well. Follow me on all my social media. It's Pammy's Corner on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. So you go do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.